the Sunnyvale Premier and Sunnyvale. So located here in MacArthur Highway. This is yan, situated in Barangay Santa Rosario, Concepcion. Yan. So yan, tandaan nyo, tabi siya ng multi-purpose cooperative grade. Then yung siguro 100 meters away, yung gumagawa ng Coach bag na brand. So ayun yung sales office. Kasalukuyang nire-refurbish ngayon, pinipaint para mas lalo maganda. Ito yung magiging commercial space niya soon. Yan, yung dito sa right side, sa gilid. Yan, so magiging more on greenery, polluted free itong subdivision nyo po. Yan, sarap mag-retire dito sa place na to. So ito yung ating Catherine model house. Ayan. So maganda dito sa model house na to. So meron na siyang gate at saka concrete yung parking na, and then naka pre-painted na yung exterior niya. So once dineliver sa inyo. Ayan. So you can play basketball. Ang basketball natin dito, court dalawa, isang covered court and then isang open court. Ayan. So dalawang phases kasi ito Sunnyvale Premier and Sunnyvale. So bawat phases may sarili siyang basketball court. And then of course, hindi na kayo kailangan lumayo pa magpunta ng beach kasi may swimming pool to na sarili. So magiginhawaan kayo sa lamig ng water sa init ng panahon. And meron tayo ditong Beatrice model. So ito yung townhomes natin, townhouse. So pag dineliver actually ganito lang. Pero when it compare with the Catherine model, kasi yung si Catherine naka-tile siya pag dineliver. Ito ready to put tiles. Yan. So yung mga kids nyo, they have a playground here. So mag-enjoy sila rito hanggang sa paglaki nila. And of course, yung sinabi ko sa inyo, retirement plan. So yan. So napaka sarap nag-stay sa place na to. Meron tayong clubhouse din, yung homeowner association, plus doon sa taas meron siyang indoor gym. And of course you can play dun sa park, more on greenery natin na place. So yun, so yung that location, then nandun yung natin, yung transportation hub. And ito po ang ating main entrance gate. Ayan, guardhouse. So ayan po. Tapos maganda dito yung mga anak yung babae, and of course kayo po kahit gabi kayo, dahil very secure yung place. So ito po yung barracks ng security. And of course yung one po natin, engineering and sales and marketing. So kung may mga concern, so dyan po. Yan. So pakita ko lang sa inyo yung yun, ito yung Catherine model natin. Yan, Catherine. So yun po, hanggang dito na lang muna yung aking video sa inyo. So yan. So, later pakita ko din yung mga model house. So thank you and have a nice day.